Alrighty there. I've got the gearbox fully bolted together, and I thought I would just show one more clip. I wanted to highlight VESC tool. So Benjamin Vetter made the VESC motor controller. That is this controller right here. And they can be had from eBay or a variety of other sellers. I highly recommend the VESC 4.12 hardware, and I recommend totally ignoring the VESC 6 and anything about that. eBay is a great place to get the VESCs. This one is from a US seller, and most of mine are from eBay. But there's this VESC tool open source software here. I've shown it before, but this is where you configure the motor controller. So, for example, we have field-oriented control right here, and then we're going to configure the encoder up here. So we run detect encoder, click that button. I have a video where I show that, and it rotates the motor and then figures out the orientation of the encoder in reference to the magnetic poles of the motor. And I highlight this because this is really thorough software. There's really a lot there, and when you're setting up a motor, when you just want to test it, you want to hook up your batteries, hook up a USB cable like I've done here, and make the thing work without having to debug and code forever. And VESC tool is really nice in that way. I've made a sensor board here that goes on the back, and then you can see the motor on the inside there. You can see its coils, and then this is the gearbox. And I just wanted to show the gearbox spinning briefly while also obviously highlighting VESC tool, but I'll spin the motor if I can find my mouse. Here we go. So I'm going to click 5,000 electrical RPM. And this is the output of the gearbox. There's a lot of torque behind this. And if you've seen the previous videos, you see that aside from this bearing, some screws, these bearings, and the motor, and an adapter on the end of the motor shaft, this whole gearbox is 3D printed. And that's something I am very excited about. We'll see if it works. In my previous video, I've shown a failure, but I am excited to see how it goes. And that's hooked up to the suspension arm from Rover. These are the batteries from Rover, by the way, so they're really large batteries. These are 6S 10 amp hour packs. There's two of them. I made a harness to make them go in parallel. These are the batteries for Rover V2. So this is the robot. Very excited. Hope these new gearboxes will work out better. And next thing I have to do is design a wheel, which is to take the existing wheel and move the offset. So that's all. Print that and get it going. And well, I'll really have to make 4 of these to see how it goes. So it's going to be a bit more work, but I'm on the way.